We need air support, and we need it now. Roll in strike package Bravo on unknown target. I authenticate Tango Whiskey at time 0300 Zulu.
Attention all aircraft. This will be a danger close fire mission.
Weapons, I just get a call from Falcon Ops. Who's closer to kill box 1 Alpha?
Send the Hogs, sir.
Okay, send the Hogs over to kill box 1 Alpha. It's a danger close within
Switch the
300
Hogs
feet.
to Killbox 1 Alpha, 300 feet, danger close.
Friendly's in the area.
7-man team north of Orange Smoke.
Proceed kill box 1 Alpha. Gauge hostile.
Attack direction west. You cleared hot.
Strike, tell me status of hog right
Hog
now.
1-1, Dark Star status.
Lennox, the heat's coming. Laser target. We got a beam rider incoming. Late target. The heat's coming. What? Bring it.
Receiving radar jamming in the vicinity of the target.
No freaking way, that thing's still not down.
Spooky 3-2, use 105 shells. Bring the rain.
Be advised, ground teams requesting 105 Sable rounds.